This video will properly demonstrate how to install the LCA liquid coffee dispenser. Note, the unit weighs approximately 70 pounds. If necessary, use more than one person when lifting or moving the dispenser. Remove the shipping cap from the inlet fitting on the bottom of the dispenser. Flush the water line to remove any debris or foreign material. Securely attach the water line to the fitting supplied. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Connect the dispenser to the power source. Select the normal on the function selector switch. Then select run on the mode selector switch. The red power LED will illuminate and water will begin flowing into the tank. The dispenser will automatically when the tank is full. The dispenser will not begin heating the water until the tank is filled. The green ready LED will illuminate when the tank temperature reaches the preset ready temperature. Note, the time required to heat the water initially will vary depending on the AC power supplied to the dispenser. Loosen the thumb screw securing the tubing retainer plate to the pump housing. Set it and the retainer plate aside. Depress the tension screw and remove it from the notch in the pump body, releasing the spring tension on the pump end. Apply lubricant to the new pump. On pneumatic part number 2531.0001. Insert the tubing onto the mixed chamber port and wrap the tubing around the pump rotor, making sure that the elbow and clamps end up on the bottom side of the pump body. Close the compression band and reinsert the tension screw into the notch in the pump housing. Replace the tubing retainer plate and tighten the thumb screw. Thoroughly mix concentrate by vigorously shaking the product bag and box. Pull the bib connector from the hole provided in the box. Remove the safety cap from the bib fitting. Open the dispenser door. Locate the bib adapter fitting. Connect bag connector to the product box. Place the bib upright and the machine rotating into position with the connector facing forward. Rotate the bib adapter to avoid sharp ends in the tubing. Priming the concentrate line. Select prime and run on the selector switches. Place a container underneath the dispense tip. Activate the dispenser until concentrate flows from the dispense nozzle for about 5 to 10 seconds. Concentrate may continue to drip out of the dispense tip. The user may wish to rinse the dispenser to clear out the remaining concentrate. Select normal on the selector switch. The dispenser is now ready for operation.